Okay, so you're here because your iPhone 7 is either not holding a charge or your battery dying fast. The tools that you need is a battery pry opener tool and a Phillips screwdriver and a pin-top screwdriver, a pry opener tool, and a tweezer. Let's get the repair started. We're going to start by removing the two bottom screws next to the charging port. Next, I'm going to heat the screen all around the edges to get the adhesive loosened. You can use a blow dryer, heat gun, or a heating pad. Just move it around a little bit, and once you feel it is hot enough, you can stop heating the screen. Get your pry tool opener and put it between this frame and the screen of the iPhone and lift up just like this. And then use a plastic opener tool and remove it around the screen. And do the same thing on the other side. Now lift up the screen a little bit and then remove it to the side and flip it open. Next, we're going to remove those 4 screws right here that's holding the iPhone screen and the iPhone battery. And now I'll be removing those 4 screws right here. And then use a plastic opener tool to remove the shield. And the battery cable might get disconnected with it too. It didn't. Let's go ahead and disconnect it just like that. And now you can disconnect the cable screens or you can leave them. I'm just going to go ahead and disconnect it. Just make sure it'll be on the safe side and never get them loosened or broken. Now close the screen just like that and flip your iPhone to the back and make sure you remember the battery is on this side. So we're going to heat the area right here. Again, you can use your blow dryer or a heat gun. Now flip the iPhone back and you can pry the battery to the upside or you can remove the strips. I'm going to decide to pry it and I'll show you how to remove the double-sided adhesive tape too. Be gentle and pry it slowly, and the reason why I don't want you guys to remove it and use a tweezer because if you poke a hole here and by mistake the tweezer goes into the battery will get on fire and will smoke. So it's better to do it gently and slowly than being sorry and burning your phone out. Now we can try by lifting the battery out and see if it comes out. And the reason why we heated the battery from the back is to get this adhesive loosened. And this is a new battery. I'm going to link all the battery repair kit in the description below, so you don't have to worry about tools and batteries. Everything is going to be together. Just lay it down and do not connect it yet. Next, I want to connect the screen cables. Align it and press down. Do the same thing with the second one. And then connect your battery cable. Make sure everything is pressed down. Put the battery shield and put the 4 screws. So we got 3 small screws and 1 large screw. The longest one will go to this corner right here. And if you're getting any value, make sure you give this video a like. Now all you have to do is put the screen at an angle like that and press down. And put the 2 bottom screws right here and power your phone up and everything should be ready to go. Make sure you subscribe and check the repair kit on the comment below. Peace. I'll see you on the next one.